Hello friends, in this video you're going to see how to add audio to your slide. Go to the File tab and click for the options. You can see the options pop-ups. Click on the Customize Ribbon button. In the right side, in the main tabs, scroll down to see the recording option. Click on that to check the box and now click OK. Now you can see the recording tab appears in the top. Now you can see a audio button, and when you click on it, you can see two options: audio on my PC and record sound. Audio on my PC is to select the recorded or downloaded audio from your PC, and record sound is you can record your narration. Now I click on the audio on my PC. Browse for the downloaded audios or recorded audios in your PC and click insert. Now the speaker icons appears in your slide. When you select the speaker icon, you can see the playback tab gets activated automatically. Here you can adjust the volume to low, medium, high or mute it. And there are other options like start. That is, when you want the audio to start, where automatically when the slide comes, or in click sequence, or when clicked on. Play across slide option helps you to play the audio across all slides. You can also select loop until stopped or hide during the show. It hides the speaker icon during the slideshow. Rewind after playing. Option helps you to rewind the audio when the audio gets over but the slide goes on. So your audio gets rewinded and plays from the beginning. When you click this play in background, it plays in the background and you can also record your narration in the foreground. Now you can trim the audio from start and end and click OK. And you can review your recorded audio in the play option. You need to make some changes, you can also make it after playing the review media. Now let's go to the recording tab. One more option was record sound. For example, I'm narrating a story in this slide. You can record your own voice or any sound using this option. Click on the red record button and your audio gets recorded in this. Click OK to add this button. You can add multiple sounds or audio files in the same slide and adjust accordingly the sounds and the sequence it might appear in the slide that you want to appear in the slide. This is all about how to record audio in your PPT. Hope this video helped you to get an idea of recording audio in the PPT. This will surely help you in your PPT presentations. Thank you.